Hey guys, it's Q. Welcome back to my channel. So today is my son's 7th birthday and he wanted a Disney Cars on the Road birthday. So me being last minute at 3 o'clock in the morning, I decided to just put this all together. I literally only purchased maybe 1 or 2 things to create this look because I had most of it already at home, because I have done a Cars birthday party before for one of my other kids, but I had to kind of change it up a little bit, but I still used some of the items I had previously. Alright, so I'm going to go through and show you guys what I did so far. Again, a lot of these items, most of you guys probably have them at home already, but if not, I'll put a link in the description below to show you some of the items that I did purchase. Alright, let's get started. So, his backdrop is a combination of a Dollar Tree plastic tablecloth, which is what you're seeing right here, which is fine, you know, it's for a 7-year-old birthday party. And I have some other backdrop curtains that I do love. These are so handy. I love them so much. They're easy to hang. They drape pretty well. I do need to iron them, but again, it's just for us. As far as the decorations on them, I just went on Google and found some like signs, some, you know, and I just changed like the wording on them. So for here, speed limit, I changed it to 7 for his age. Thought that was pretty cute. This sign right here, I put his name and his age. And then this one, it was already just pre-made and I just cut that out. These stars I already had. We did a movie night birthday for my husband like a week ago. So it's the same color scheme as, you know, his as my son's theme. So I just kept it. So I just kept the stars up here. It doesn't really go along with the theme, but I still think it looks cute. And here are my boxes. We use these for, I can't remember what we used these boxes for, but they were already wrapped in black wrapping paper. So I used these to put, you know, the numbers on them. And I have just cones on top just to kind of add that little extra touch to them. Have these balloon stands. I don't really have time to blow up any more balloons, so they are they don't look that great. But when they do have the balloons on them, it is more full. And I don't have time because like we literally have to kind of do his little birthday pretty soon, so it's all good. We have these cones, and these cones, I think you get a lot for the pack from what I remember, and I just have them all over the place, and it kind of helps, like, you know, tie everything together by using these cones. So anyway, I have them all over the place. And let's see, here we have my Lightning McQueen. This is a picture that I printed out on, I have a wide format printer, and I printed it out, and what I should have done was print this out and then actually cut all around it so it would just be the shape. But I don't have time, I can't find my box cutter, so I just taped it to this poster board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I just have it propped up from a box in the back for this one. And on this side, we have Mater, and same thing. I use my wide format printer. I just taped him to, you know, the board, and he's propped up. I think I don't know, another box behind here, just to keep him up. Again, I think it will look a lot cuter if I were able to, you know, cut around the edge and then prop them up someplace. But again, it's all good. As far as my like what is this, road, the street, whatever it is. So for this one, I actually purchased it. So this is cloth and already has like the little lines already printed on it, which is great. And this one, because I don't have another one, so I had to end up making my own. And all I did was took like a black backdrop, folded it over a couple times, and then I just took paper and just cut it out so that I can make the road on this one. And then here's just a last minute thing. Could have done a lot better, like remove this. Maybe I'll do that to make it look better, to move that extra white part. But I just took some checkered, like a backdrop, digital backdrop, and just cut some strips out and then just put start. Alright, let's see. Alright, so we have the cones here. Oh, here. This backdrop, I did purchase this online just to kind of tie the theme in. So it just says happy birthday, has all the characters. This flag, I'm loving it. I used this before, already had it from my previous party. Love it. And it's long, you guys. Like this, let me just go around kind of show you. It's super long. So I think I started like in the corner over here. I started here, and the thing wrapped from all the way around the room here and still goes around. So it's pretty long. I didn't want to cut it because I'm not sure like what I would want to use it for another event, so I kept it long and I just draped it around. The only thing that I wish that it was double-sided. So here is the regular side of it. You can tell because, you know, it's got the darker black, and then when I went around, it's the back side. So it's okay. It still looks like a flag on the side. No biggie. And let's see what else. Oh, on my wall over here, I have just some more cutouts that I went on Google. Just cut them out, tape them to the wall. I have my up lights, which I love. I think having up lights for any party just adds that extra flair. I think it just takes it up a notch. And I'll just have a few of those going around. But that is pretty much it. Now I have to go upstairs and bake a cake or cupcakes. I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to go with. Whichever is going to be fastest, so I'll figure that out. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll put all the links of where I got everything. If you guys have any questions, then please feel free to put them in the description below. And I will talk to you in the next one, guys. Take care.